My name is Chloe Granati. I'm an incoming junior at Cronulla High School, and this is the second milestone of my project. In the first milestone, I mostly did the wiring and pairing the Bluetooth modules for the car and the accelerometer, and now for this milestone, I actually finished the base project. What I started with was actually assembling the car. I had done all of the circuitry previously, but now I actually put the car together. By inside, I put the motors with some wooden fasteners that I screwed in, and then I put these separators and screwed the top and the bottom together and put the wheels on. And then after I was done with that, I started copying the code given to us for the car into my Arduino IDE, and I just edited it a little bit based on the different pins and values necessary because the code was for different H bridges than we were using, so I had to change it accordingly. And then after that, I copied the code into the accelerometer, and then I was mostly finished, but I had to wait for a new battery and a new Arduino micro to be shipped because my previous one, this cable port here actually snapped off, so I couldn't actually input code or control it at all because we power this with the computer. I couldn't power it because I didn't have a cable. But what I did is I just waited for a new battery to be sent and a new micro. Once it was sent, I tested it and put it all together. But unfortunately, it still wasn't working. And then that's when I realized that I didn't even power my accelerometer. It was missing a wire to voltage and ground. And then after I fixed that, I had to fix a couple of values because instead of um, to turn left, for example, these right wheels need to be moving forward and these need to be moving back. Instead, for some reason, this one was moving forward and the rest of them were all moving back. So it was kind of just like not, it was spinning weirdly. So I fixed that. And after that, my car worked pretty well. I just changed up some of the accelerometer threshold values, so instead of having to go like this to make the car go forward, I made it so I just had to tilt it a little bit. And yeah, that's mostly all that I did. And for the next milestone, I'll be working on my adjustments. I'll be adding on some flex sensors to the glove so I can control the speed of the car.